President and COO of Activision Blizzard moves to Web3. Daniel Alegre, the president and COO of Activision Blizzard, has resigned. Alegre has taken a position as CEO of Yuga Labs, the company behind the Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, and CryptoPunks NFT collections. Alegre has been involved in the gaming, entertainment, and technology industries for many years. Yuga Labs announced Alegre's arrival in December. In a press release at the time, the executive said, "The company's pipeline of products, partnerships, and IP represents a massive opportunity to define the metaverse." Speaking about the move, Alegre says, "Tomorrow I officially start as CEO of Yuga Labs. Couldn't be more excited for this next chapter."